In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, and the most merciful. Did you ever come across a person who is found spreading the bad news, who extracts the bad news from whatever she reads, watch, or experiences? Whatever somebody has experienced, whatever somebody has seen and observed, whatever somebody has listened, these people are quite adept at making the at making and bringing out the bad news from whatever they have seen. Now these people are quite a negative people. They people are actually suffering from a disease. Whatever they are communicating, radiating, is just a symptom and not a disease in itself. Although very few of the people do know that this is not anyway lesser than a disease. Maybe in their eyes, maybe according to their opinion, it is the physical diseases only which are the diseases and not the psychological one, while this thing is the psychological disease and the symptom of disease are what we do come across. If at all we do find, if at all we do observe a person like this one, if at all we do interact with a person like this one, this is something really bad. We need to be careful and cautious about these people. I'm not suggesting that we should necessarily throw them away and not to let them anyway get closer to us, but we need to know that this thing is a disease. We do have to protect ourselves from it, and we do have to try to eradicate and eliminate this disease from the person, because the person might be our loved one and we will not be able to disassociate ourselves from a person like this one. So, for that reason, simply we need to protect ourselves from the bad, from the negative effects of this disease on the one hand, and on the other hand, we need to help those people in understanding that this is a disease which must be eradicated, which must be cured, which must be taken out of our personality, which must be thrown out of our mind. We need to get rid of it. And now, coming to another type of people, you might have come across anyone like this one. These are the people who are found bringing the good news about whatever they see. These people are skilled in extracting the good news out of whatever they see, whatever they observe, whatever they come across, whatever they interact. Now these people are really a blessing in disguise, because these people are quite good at finding the silver lining, at, at finding the ray of hope from whatever they are seeing, they are listening, they are experiencing, they are interacting with. Now, these people are highly positive people. Every time you sit with those people, every time you speak to those people, you will come to know that these people are really a blessing, and being with those people is a kind of beneficial thing, and this is something which we must not be wasting the opportunity. And why not to try to create a kind of habits like that one in we ourselves, and why not to be a person like that one, why not to follow, why not to imitate, and why not to take these people as a kind of role model, so that we too become the people like those. On the one hand, we will be keeping ourselves in the high moral, on the other hand we will be able to find the opportunities everywhere else. Here and there we will be able to find these opportunities, and we will be able to find the good news out of whatever we have seen, out of whatever we have observed, out of whatever we have experienced, out of whatever type of people we are interacting with. There are good news as well as there are bad news. Now it depends upon us whether we are picking the good thing, whether we are picking the bad thing, whether we are the extractor and the magnet of the good things, or we have become unfortunately a kind of magnet for the bad news and for the bad things. Now it depends upon me and you. We need to keep searching ourselves, and also we need to keep searching our loved ones as well, because this is something of a very basic and a very primary importance. If at all we do succeed, if at all we do succeed here, if at all we do succeed in eradicating a disease like this one from our psyche, from our thinking, from our personality, let me assure you that it will make us a healthy person psychologically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, in every sense. It will make us a healthy person, it will make us a vibrant person, it will make us a dynamic person, it will make us a kind of successful person, and all the things which are there in the word, and which are good things in the word. Let me tell you that we will be a kind of magnet for all of those things. We can become a magnet for the bad things as well, and we can become a kind of magnet for the good things as well, and we can also be kind of magnet which is picking the bad things as well as the good things. And I think so the choice is that of ours and not that of anyone else. Now rest assured that our life depends upon it, whether we have trained ourselves to pick the bad news or whether we have trained ourselves to pick the good news. Because if at all we do succeed, and if at all we have unfortunately become a kind of addict and a kind of person who is picking the bad, we are doomed then. And if at all we become fortunately the pickers of the good news and the good thing, I think and I believe our life is going to become a very happy one and a very successful one. Thank you.